Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a day in a life type of vlog. Today you're gonna see behind the scene of Jayden'S graduation, his birthday week, his birthday party, everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. So on Thursday, May 19, it was Jayden'S drive-through graduation from BPK. It was also his birthday. Look how cute his little pictures came out. So then when we got home, my mom brought him a cake, some balloons. We sang happy birthday to him. He was super excited. He was like, it's not my birthday until I get a real cake. So we bought him a little cake. Then short after that, I started setting up for the goodie bags and the things that we were gonna have for the birthday party. So that's what you're gonna see me doing in this video here. So, good morning. It is the day of the party. Today it's Saturday, May 21st. My eyes are still swollen. I just literally got out of bed, got ready. It's like 8:20 in the morning, so it's early, you guys. But we're gonna start prepping, for the party because the party starts at 2. Yay! It stopped raining. That's a good thing. It rained for the past 2 days. And now, hopefully it doesn't rain today. But we're gonna get all the furniture from there. And that's where the setup on the birthday cake is gonna go, right here. So we're gonna remove all this furniture. I wanna put it in the garage because, a bunch of kids. And I think it's just gonna get full of stains and I don't wanna deal with the cleaning after. So I think I'm gonna put those away and we're gonna just clear that area completely. So yeah, let me get, ready for, we head to BJ's to pick up some ice, some beers. I got my protein shake. I also picked up my Publix cupcakes, some Dunkin' Donuts for the kids as well. So that was all. And then I started prepping. So I got my cooler, cleaned it up, put some ice and the beers in there. This is a cooler for the adults with some beer, of course. And then I'm gonna set up the ones for the kids, and then we're gonna remove all that furniture that you see there. So it was like a running around. It was so hot that day too. Or after we removed the furniture, the team got here with event decor and everything, and it was super cool because they come with everything pre-made. All they have to do is technically like put them together. And when Jay saw the setup, he was like, oh my god, mom, this was so cute. I was like, oh, I'm so happy you like it. So yeah, he wanted Monster Jam, and his favorite truck is the Grave Digger. So that's why we added those kind of colors, because that's the color of the car. I also bought like this cardboard that you're gonna see in a second, and we ended up not even using it because the company made custom made Grave Digger trucks. So it was super cool. After the company was done with their setup, I decided to set up this little table here that I had, and I just put a black cloth on it, and I put the cups there and the goodie bags, and then of course I rearranged because I didn't like how it looks with the goodie bags in the middle. But it was super windy, everything was just falling apart, but I was trying to make it work. I put the cones in the back to kind of hold it in case they fall through the other side and they don't land in the pool. But this is how everything looked when the company was done with their setup. And then we also got a bounce house, and they kind of customized it with the little monster truck. Here are the little centerpieces that I DIY last minute, and the way I'm displaying the donuts as well. Just got ready wearing this little dress, and I put a little bit of makeup on, and I'm not even gonna wear a bathing suit. I hear Jayden'S screaming outside. There's already people here, but we were running so late that I couldn't even keep recording, you guys, because I was already stressed out. But here's the final look when I set up the cupcakes, the donuts, the cake. Everything looked like that. The cake was done by my cousin. I will put her Instagram here. She makes cakes. She did an amazing job, and it was so delicious. Everybody loved it. I was very happy with the way the setup turned out. It was everything that Jayden wanted, and now it is just time to have fun. Here's the little clips of how the party went. Special thanks to my mom. She made all the food. It was delicious. She went all out like always. She even made paella and everything. And then, of course, she made a salad and the Spanish rice, which I forgot to put it here. But here's how everything went. Look at Jayden having so much fun, you guys. Guys enjoyed today's vlog. This is just a little bit of the behind the scene of our life and how everything went for his birthday. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one. God bless.